Hello everyone and welcome to Module 2 of this course. You can have data without information, but you cannot have information without data. Now this quote from Daniel Keyes Moran, which you'll also find on the top of Module 2 description in your classroom, clearly illustrates the importance of data for seeking any information. The key to getting information or insights is having the data on hand. Now, if you do not have the data, you cannot have the information or insights that you need. As simple as that. In this module, the focus has now shifted to storing big data and understanding technologies that are trending today for storage of large amounts of data. You'll learn about data lakes and its architecture in cloud-based platforms. You will also find out about different NoSQL databases that exist today, such as MongoDB, Cassandra, HBase, Amazon's DynamoDB, and Elasticsearch. Most importantly, you'll be learning about the Amazon Web Services Lab, or AWS Lab in short, that you'll be using starting from this module. Now, it's imperative that you do not miss any learning material about what and how of this lab that is specially designed for you for this course. And I will show you shortly where you can find that information. Now going into your classroom, to begin with, the 5 main outcomes or takeaways from this module are: know popular tools for big data management, learn about cloud-based architectures for big data storage and analytics, access and learn about the AWS Lab for this course, understand what data lakes, data warehouses, and NoSQL databases are, and finally, gain hands-on experience with AWS services such as S3, Glue, and Athena. Moving on, the Week 3 section has a bunch of articles on data lake and its architecture. It also includes a step-by-step job aid and a video on how to access and work in your AWS lab. I would like to remind you again that without reading this job aid and watching this video, you may find yourself a little lost on what you need to do for your AWS labs that will be the main part of this course starting from this module onwards. You'll also be reading articles and information about cloud data stores and NoSQL databases. Now, once having completed this, then you will turn your attention to a quiz that will test your knowledge from the reading materials of this week. This will be then followed by a discussion on big data processing. Now, if you're a visual learner like me, then you are going to enjoy week 4 watching a lot of videos instead of reading about AWS S3 based data lake and AWS Athena. Once you've completed these, you're then going to dive in and be prepared for your assignment 2 that you'll be doing the AWS lab, where you'll build the AWS S3 based data lake and use AWS services like Glue and Athena to do some data exploration. Now please make a note that you will have to complete a quiz that is based on this assignment and also capture few screenshots while working on this assignment. Now all the instructions are given in the assignment description, so please plan to read the assignment description completely once before starting with your lab. You will end this module 2 with few optional readings that once again I will encourage you all to cover without fail for your enhanced learning on this module and topic area. Okay? So in summary, there's a lot you will cover in this 2 weeks of module 2. Remember the mantra I gave you earlier to succeed: start early. If you fall behind, it's going to be very difficult to catch from this point on in this course. So please keep up the pace with this module and the course, okay? Now with that, I'm going to let you go and start working on this module 2. And as we did in module 1, in this module 2 as well, during its midway, after the end of week 3, I will have a live touchpoint session or webinar with you all to help you more with this module and also take any questions that you may have. So until then, good luck to each of you. Take care.